Hello, welcome to Maths with Miss Faiza. So now we will look into word problems. First word problems would be regarding mixed operations. So let's have a look on these questions. We have last summer's ice cream sales. So we have a table relating about the ice creams sold in June, July, and August. So the question is, what was the total number of ice cream sales made in June? Total number of ice cream sales made in June. So for a word problem, you have to underline the keyword so you understand what the questions ask for. So first, the question is telling you in June, so just June only. The total number of ice cream sales, meaning total number. See the total meaning all of this. So we want to know about this. So that means we need to add all these cones, sundaes, and milkshakes sold on June. So that would be the total. So for question 1, our answer would be 117 plus 199 plus 113. So you can calculate it straight away. You will get 316 and then plus another 113 you will get 429. So the total number of ice cream sold in June is 429. So now number 2. How many more ice cream sales were made in July than in June? Okay, so you can see when the questions ask you how many more, you have how many and then you have more here, meaning that is a comparison. It's a comparison between July and June. So how many more, meaning that they want you to find the difference of ice cream sold compared in July and June. So you check June and July. June we already know the total number is 429. And July it's already given here, we have 699 total. So for us to find how many more ice cream sold in July, we need to find the difference. So when it comes to difference, how many more mean difference? When it comes to difference, as I've mentioned many times before, difference meaning that you need to minus big number with smaller number. So our big number here is we have 699 and we minus with the total number of June, which is 429. So we will get an answer of 270. So this is the answer. Now let's check number 3. How many milkshakes were sold in July? So how many milkshakes? So our keyword here is milkshake sold in July. So you check July, we don't know the milkshakes. So in order for us to find out, we know the total is this. This is the total of ice cream sold. And there are 3 types of ice cream in this table: cones, sundaes, and milkshakes. So then we already know the cones and the sundaes and the total number of ice cream. Now we need to find the milkshakes only. In order for us to find out the milkshakes, we already have the total. So that would mean we need to do 699, the total, minus the cones sold and minus the sundaes sold. So you will get an answer of 699 minus 699 minus 237 minus 345. So you will get an answer of 117. So that would be your answer. So now number 4. How many more ice cream cones? How many more ice cream cones sold in August than in June? See, when you see in every single question that gives you how many more. So you instantly know this would be a comparison between something and something. So in here, the comparison is between August and June. So between August here and June, we want to know how many more ice cream cones sold in August than in June. Same thing you do when it's about how many more comparison, you need to find the difference. So in order for us to find the difference, we need to minus big number. Big number here for August is 898. That is the total ice cream cones. Oh, ice cream cones. Ice cream cones meaning 359. So total number of 359 minus with June, which is 117. So that would be 359 minus 117. So that is the answer. You will get 242. That is the difference of ice cream cones sold in August and in June. Number 5. If the ice cream shop sold 3 times as many cones, 3 times as many cones in June than they did in February, how many cones did they sell in February? Okay, so now February is not listed in here. But then it is said that in February, they actually sold 3 times lesser, since in June sold 3 times as many cones in June than they did in February. Meaning that June here, in June you made 3 times the February. So since we know June, they made total ice cream they sold is 429. So we need to find the February. That would be 3 times the February. So in February, we will get 429 divided by 3. You know, when it's multiplication and we want to move this 3 to here because we want to get February only, when we move across the equal sign, from multiplication it becomes division. So when it becomes division, you will get an answer of 429 divided by 3, which is 143. So in February, the ice cream sold 143 ice cream. If the ice cream okay, now number 6. Let's move on to number 6. If the ice cream shop owner wants to triple her sale of sundaes from August to September, how many sundaes will she need to sell in September? Okay, from this we understand that triple her sale from August to September. Sale of sundaes only. Okay, so then we check sundaes. August sundaes. We don't know how many sundaes is sold in August, but first we have to find out how much is it sold in August. How do we find out? Because we already have the total. We already have the cones and the milkshakes, so we can find the sundaes. How? Total meaning that it's all the total. So if we need to find the sundaes only, we can just minus the total 898 with the cones 359 minus 128. So you will get the answer for your sundaes, which is 5411. So your sundaes you get here is 411. And now the question is asking how many sundaes she need to sell in September. In September, they plan to triple her sale. Triple the sale. So that means triple, meaning these sundaes that they have sold in August, they need to times by 3. So you will get an answer of 1233. So this is the number of Sundays they need to sell on September. 1233. Alright, for question 7 and 8, try to do it on your own. Then I will ask you during the class time. That is all. Thank you.